times have I told you that I don't want to see you with this woman again? This is my last warning. If I ever see you go down. What did I say? What did I say? If I ever see you find your dead body floating on the riverside.
This is so unfair. Why would you do this?
Get into the car!
I'm sorry.
I said get into the car! This is the last warning I'm giving to you. Nonsense.
I don't have any other place to stay. Please, I hope you will manage with me. Okay? Please, don't, please. I'm sorry. It's just for the meantime. Everything will be fine. Okay? I promise you. I'm sorry. Okay, I'll go and get you socks and wrappers so that mosquito will not bite you. Okay? I'm sorry. Let's go inside. Baby! Baby, how are you?
I'm fine.
I got beans for us, and beans and Gary. So take. So you select it and cook it.
Okay, but there's no crayfish.
I'm sorry, even there is no crayfish, but there is oil. So you pick that oil and put. Please don't finish the oil, you know we need to manage it. And I need to get back to my working place. I have some firewood I need to pick so that I'll be able to get a tomorrow meal. Be careful, don't let fire burn you. I love you.
I love you too.
Tomorrow will be better,
I get.
Imami, my love, you know why I call you out here. I want to tell you something important. I know we are going through a lot. I know you are not used to this kind of suffering. I just want to tell you that everything will be better. So,
I know. I'm not worried. And everything will be fine.
I'll be. What is the problem?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Tomorrow. What's the problem? Are you okay? Come, just sit down. Sit down. That should be malaria. I'm sorry, I'll take you to the chemist.
It's not malaria. I think I'm pregnant.
Do you mean this?
Yes.
You are with my baby. You are with my baby. So I'll soon be called daddy.
No, you should be happy.
I'm so happy. My baby is here. My baby is here.
Mimi, why should you be happy? I'm not happy that we're going to raise our child in this place.
No, it's true.
Side me, leave me alone.
But I'm still happy. I'm still happy.
DM'me, Imami, Diongo Kentagami, Madefi, Ntagido Kentagado, Dukepami, I didn't tag no Motedi can stop me. Don't call you come bury me. Woody DMing can make the idea suck bury me. Suck bury me, Nami the Menangafi. You know for all the princess me. I'm more young, okay, jealous to me. Say for me, quad and quad.
don't have money to buy salt, but
It's okay.
Unege mi neck den neck no fi. Show me ka den can no fi. Okoro mi wana den wana no fi. Ima ye me keren pan no fi. Afoto anomi, amitwa no fi.
I'm happy that you can eat whatever I give to you, But I promise you, tomorrow will be better,
Nkambongo kam yaga basori ong mindi in the same kombang afin tam kam afin. ADME, imami, ete foye ka foye de mfunami. Mfuna yero mfuna do di mfuna kok an yom kem mfuna kok di mfunami. Mbok imami, yo yemi, si da mi akwa kap da fan mi.
You again. What are you doing in my compound? What brought you to my compound?
Where is my woman and my baby?
Your woman? Did you just say your woman? And which of the baby you talking about? You don't have anybody in this compound. You need to leave. Gone are those days you used to treat me anyhow and beat me. Let me warn in case you don't know. This is my compound and
No, why are you shouting? You're disturbing me.
Why are you doing
What are you
now?
doing here?
Why do you have to throw this down?
Sorry. Why are you here? I thought you left me. I thought everything is over. Why are you here?
See, the thing is, I am here to take responsibility
Of who?
of my woman and her pregnancy.
My love. You need to say this to this guy. They are mad people. Tell him that he's very mad. Tell him to leave my compound now. Or I'll lose my temper.
Can you just calm down?
This is my child. So tell him now. And you're my woman.
I'm the
And
woman.
I always promise you that tomorrow will be better. I'm working towards that.
Could you please stop shouting? Stop shouting. I will explain everything.
What is it that you want to say?
Okay. Jesus. See.
Do you want to tell me that I'm not a father?
Let me
Is that
talk.
what you want to say? Oh, this is my baby and is here telling that you want to...
The child is not yours. Okay, before you threw me out, I was 4 weeks gone.
I am not ready to be a father to this thing you are carrying.
My child,
You have to get rid of it.
my child is a thing.
It's either you remove this thing or you leave my house.
My child a thing. I will never do that.
Then you will leave. You have to leave. Get out of my house. Get out. Go with that thing. Leave. Leave.
So, I'm sorry.
And all this why you did not tell me.
Boys! Take this woman, let's leave here. Let's go.
Don't.
I suffer from you so good and much. And you could keep this in my...
I'm sorry.
You're living.
I'm sorry.
You are going.
No, once I deliver the child, I will come back for you. I'm sorry. I will come back for you. I'm sorry.
Should I wait for her or I move on?